Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Pretty in Pink. So today we're going to have another fast video. We're going to be making some simple holiday nails using things from the Dollar Tree. So these nails I got from the Dollar Tree, the jewels you see on the right are from the Dollar Tree. On the left you see some leaves. Those were from flowers, fake flower bouquets that I got from the Dollar Tree. You also see that I have a nail clipper, and I'm using that to clip the nails down right now because they're a bit too long for me to wear to work, so I am clipping them down. You're also going to see that I have super glue and a nail file. Okay, it's not recommended that you use super glue because it could hurt your nail bed. I just want to let you know that, but you know that I always use super glue. So right now you're just seeing me cut everything down to size, and I am actually doing 2 green nails. So these are plaid and then they have 2 green nails. I was gonna do just 1 green nail for solid green in the middle finger, but I decided to be, a little different from what I normally do. So now I have a solid green on my index finger and my ring finger. And right now you're just seeing me glue my nails down onto those fingers. So now, what the design that I have in mind was to do holly. You know what holly is, you may not know by the name, but a lot of people also sometimes call it mistletoe, even though mistletoe is technically white, but the mistletoe can be red, so I guess that's why it gets confusing. But holly is that little thing, you'll always see little art of it during Christmas time. It looks like 3 berries and like 2 leaves. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to take 2 little leaves from my little fake bouquet. I'm going to stick those on, and then I'm going to put 3 red jewels underneath to make it holly. And that's going to be on my index fingers. And then on my ring fingers, I'm just going to take 2 of the little diamond drops and make them into a heart. So that's all we're going to do. So you're just going to see that in fast forward timing. What? You're going to see that at a really high speed. I don't know, guys. I have 10 minutes to turn in 2 of my 12 days of Christmas videos. So I apologize that this is incredibly, and I do mean incredibly, rushed. Throughout the video, you're also going to hear me complaining because I was hating my nails while I was doing them, because you know how I am. I absolutely am my worst critic, and I hated them so much. So you're going to hear that as well. Hope you enjoy the montage. This is a close-up of the holly, and also if you're wondering if why one hand is done and the other one isn't, it's because I had planned to do the design on the nails first before putting them on my hand, but then I forgot and I started super gluing my nails onto one hand, and then after I super glued it on my left hand, I realized, oh, I wanted to do the design first. So then I just had one hand with my nails on, one hand with my nails off, and I was doing designs on the left hand and then designs for the nails on the right hand. It was just all over the place, girl.
Many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Okay, let's hurry up and get these nails on because I'm honestly upset. I know practice makes perfect, but dang, taking an L twice in a row is not as fun as they make it out to be. It's really not that fun. It's not as fun as the girls make it out to be. Losing isn't as fun as the other girls make it seem. I don't know why they do it so much. No, I'm just kidding. That's funny.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
Ow, my fingers are literally sticking to the container. It's time for me to be done
I guess I really
with
don't know what Christmas
this
is all
particular project.
chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times,
I can't wait for this to be over. I really, really can't. Oh my gosh. Just be done.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase.
So you've heard all my complaining. I really was hating these nails, thinking that they were the ugliest thing I've ever done. I was even like, you know what? I thought the Christmas tree ones were ugly, but these are way uglier. And then lo and behold, who knew? Once you add oil and lotion, things just seem a lot better. So even though, I mean, these still need a lot of work, you guys know I'm not like a nail tech. I'm definitely still learning all by myself, but they are 1000% better than how they looked when they were dry and just covered in super glue. So hallelujah. Always moisturize, always add oil, always add hand cream. If you like this video and you'd like to see more videos like it, please give me a like and subscribe. Bye.
Many times, many ways.